See that, guys? Every single stone on this design laid with precision, and it's done so in order to make sure that the customer has the best satisfaction possible, and that's exactly what we've done thus far on this landscape with this beautiful design, custom dry creek bed, brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we've become famous for our decorative dry creek beds that not only look nice, but they solve a landscape drainage problem. And so in this case, we had a tremendous amount of water that was coming through this fence, guys. It was so much water. When you look over here, you'll be able to see that all this area here is where the water would come and then would sit and it would fall to the lowest point. And when it fell, it was also coming so much in a rapid force that it was moving this fence. And what ended up happening was that water was then going into the customer's garage. And so what we've done is come up with this beautiful design, a decorative dry creek bed that allows us to be able to ensure that the water that moves through this landscape now has to be encompassed by this 4 to 10 inch river rock, which is one of the only ways you're going to be able to stop water. But just check out how much was coming through that fence. Now it's going to have to go through this particular dry creek bed. It's going to be controlled now, guys. We're going to bring inside as well, but this is now going to be controlled, and it's going to be brought all the way through this backyard in a controlled manner, and it's also going to be dealt with. That's right, we're going to be able to put this water to a specific location, and then we're also going to take it into a drain box that's going to be able to encompass it and take it out to where the natural ravine is on this landscape. That's right, all the way down here, which is what this entire design was built upon, with bringing that water down here where we know we'll be able to get rid of it, and that's where all of the neighbors' water go. And so as you can see, the water that's coming from my customer's neighbor yard is trying to make it to that ravine, but unfortunately it's flooding their home. And this is one of the ways in which we've been able to stop that from happening, which is with our custom dry creek beds that solve those landscape drainage problems.